Hi, you're watching TV9 News. I'm Pratibha and I have some big news for you. The wait has finally ended. The government has announced that the vaccination drive will begin from January 16th. So next Saturday, the vaccination drive will begin across the country. And on expected lines, priority will of course be given to the healthcare workers as well as the frontline workers. This itself is estimated to be around 3 crores in number. Preparations have already been put in place. As we have seen, the vaccination drive had also been taken up by the government. This vaccination will finally begin now after the festivals that are being celebrated across the country. Now, this big announcement, of course, was made after Prime Minister Modi also chaired a high-level meeting. This meeting was, of course, to discuss the preparedness, the number of cases across the country as well, the status of COVID-19 in the country, along with the preparedness of the states as well as the union territories for the COVID-19 vaccination. The meeting was held today and that's when this decision was taken for the vaccination drive to begin. The Prime Minister also took quite a detailed and comprehensive review of the status of COVID management across the country as well. As we do remember, two dry trial runs have also been conducted across the country in all the states as well as union territories. According to the government now in the statement that has been given out, the vaccination exercise will of course be guided by principles of people's participation as well as utilizing the experience of elections. Booth strategy, that's something the government is also looking at to ensure effective vaccination drive. And of course, India also has experience in universal immunization programs that have been conducted in the country as well. Now talking about the dry run of vaccination that has already been conducted by the government across all the states as well as the union territories. This has given the healthcare workers also an experience of what the situation could be, any glitches that could crop up as well. This dry run in fact was to check the best way for the vaccination against COVID-19 as well as to plug the loopholes in logistics as well as training. This took place in 737 districts in the country and it also tested the operational feasibility of the COVID application in a field environment as well. Sheriff COVID Vaccine Intelligence Network, COVID is a digital platform that will help in the rollout as well as in scaling up of the vaccination drive as well. So that has been tested already in the dry run and it has been tested well. Now it will be applied as well as the vaccination begins this Saturday. The Aadhaar authentication as well as SMS confirming will also be required and all of that has been put in place. So the vaccination is all set to take place. 2 dry runs have given the government as well as the health workers enough knowledge on the challenges that can crop up as well. They've been given that training as well. So, of course, now India is absolutely ready for the vaccination drive to begin. As we remember, India has already cleared the Oxford AstraZeneca Covishield manufactured by the Serum Institute of India as well as the Bharat Biotech co-vaccine for emergency use as well. And it is the Covishield vaccine that will be given to all the health workers in the first phase. And after the successful completion of the first phase, the second and the later stages will also begin on the same as well. That's all I have for you today. Of course, some big news that has come in. So do let us know in the comment section as well what you think, any challenges that the government is going to face and when is it that the common man will also have access to it. I look forward to your comments on that. Please like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.